Hello! Okay, I'm so excited for this video because it's Halloween costumes part 3 of 2019, and these ones are my favorite by far. They are unique and creative Halloween costumes. So with these costumes, I have been them in the past. I was a cactus and cotton candy in the past. When I was these costumes, I got a bunch of compliments and people thought they were like so creative, and it was just super fun. I love doing unique things for Halloween that people don't usually do. So for this video, I'm going to do a cactus, cotton candy, and a disco ball. For the disco ball, you could be also a disco girl, but I just thought it was kind of fun to do a disco ball. You can even make it more elaborate. So go ahead and watch and find your favorite and let me know. Thank you so much for watching and clicking on this video. It means a lot, and I will see you all next time. Bye! Okay, so first off, I have my cotton candy costume. I love this one so much. Okay, to start this one off, I am curling my hair with my Real Techniques curling iron, and I'm just using it as a wand, even though it has a little clamp on it. This is the extra long one, which helps with my extra long hair. And here is my Morphe palette. I'm taking the rose quartz color in this little palette, and I'm putting it all over my eyelid. On both eyes, obviously. And then I'm taking this blending brush and blending this darker highlighter shade from the Pirates of the Caribbean palette into my outer crease. And then Unicorn Tears Too Faced lipstick, I am taking this and I'm putting it as eyeshadow in the center of my eyelids. Okay, now I'm taking this blue sparkly color from my Too Faced palette and putting it on top of the Too Faced lipstick. And I'm going to add the lipstick on top of that to blend it all together, make it pop, and give it that extra color. Now I'm taking my Stila liquid eyeshadow color and putting that in the inner corner of my eyes. And taking that lipstick again and putting it on my cheeks for blush. And now I'm taking these two highlighter shades from my Pirates of the Caribbean palette and just putting those as highlighter. Topping it off with the lipstick, and there we go. This lipstick is so cool because it changes color. So there's that. Now I'm going to make my cone for my cotton candy because you gotta have the cone. So I'm rolling it up and then cutting it. And then I'm just using Scotch tape to tape it onto this pink headband I have lying around. And now I'm taking some pink color I got from Walmart and I'm just spraying that onto half of my hair. And making sure I get my bangs. And now I'm taking a blue color and I'm spraying it onto the other half of my hair because cotton candy can be blue or pink. So I thought this was a cute little touch. And that is it for the cotton candy. So first I'm starting with this glitter glue from Hard Candy and these NYX glitters that I have, and I'm putting the glitter glue on my cheekbone where I would put highlighter and then putting that glitter on there. This one is a silver glitter and I thought it was perfect for a disco ball. So you can't really go wrong with as much glitter as you want for this one. So I put it all over my face and all over my eyes, as you can see. And now I'm putting it on my eyebrows because glitter brows are a necessity for this. And I didn't completely cover my eyebrows with the glitter, but I put a lot on. So you'll find it's kind of hard to cover it completely. So just do your best, and there you go. Now I'm putting my hair up in a little half do, and I'm just having a little ponytail with this blue scrunchie. A sparkly scrunchie would be super cute too, and I'm putting sparkles in my hair as well. So, fair warning, there's going to be sparkles everywhere after this costume. And now I'm making disco ball earrings. So I'm taking these little sequins from Walmart and I'm just putting them on these foam balls I also got from Walmart with hot glue. And then I have these little earring things that they also have at Walmart, and you stick them in and then boom, you made your own earrings, and they're so easy and cheap and sparkly and disco ball. Okay, now I am taking a colorful eyeshadow palette and using some greens for my cactus. So I'm putting this shade all over my eyelids, and then I am blending it in and taking a darker color and putting it in my outer crease and blending that in. And then I'm going to take this sparkly green shade, which I love very much, and I'm putting it on the center and all over the lower part of my lid. And then I am taking some more green eyeshadow and using that as blush for my little cheeks. And what's super nice about these looks is you can use eyeshadow for lipstick or lipstick for blush and whatever you want. So I'm using these eyeshadows for my lips, but I realized this one works the best, this super sparkly green one. Now I'm going to take a water bottle, and if you have short hair, you could use a short water bottle, but I am putting this in my hair and then I am wrapping my hair around it. And obviously my hair is still blue and pink, so I'm going to spray it green. I'm just bobby pinning the stray pieces. So here I go, just spraying my hair green, and it was very green. Also, this smells super bad, so just be careful not to breathe it all in, like I did. And now I found this cute little flower, just a rose I had for my bachelorette costume, and I put it on the top because cactuses have flowers. So I got these shoes from Walmart and I painted little cactuses on them with acrylic paint, and I did the same thing with this shirt that I thrifted. This DIY was so easy and cheap, and I love it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. We're just gonna end it with some dancing, and make sure to comment down below and tell me what your favorite costume was. Bye!